So this is my 5th day where I've completed everything. I'm waiting for the chrome and buffing parts. While I wait for the chrome and buffing parts, I will be giving the vehicle for the painter for the final touch-up and polishing. The logo and all are missing, so like this surface will be treated well and a new layer of clear coat will be added to it by buffing it. So like this type of rough surface will be seen like this, like kind of smooth. So that will be done, and as of now I've completed everything, and this one pending is the runner beading, and also I'm just putting this up. Just put it. Yes, of course I'm having the white beading. I'll be putting the white beading over here, and the black beading will be here so that it will be protected by water 2 times. So yes, this side is complete, and yeah, I have taken out the stepney stand for painting. I'll be doing that in a while, and by tomorrow I think everything will be done. And this one is also pending, the handle grippers, that will be done, no worries. Yeah, and I've also got the seat. The seat looks very neat, and also I'm planning to buy the single seat, which will be done. Oh, completely forgot of the socket. Yes, this shall be kept in my socket box. And yes, as I said, the chrome parts will be available after 1 or 2 days. That's it, I think. Once everything is done, the vehicle will go for the final paint and the clear coat, and then the whole project will be done. So this is how it looks for now. I am also planning on changing the seat covers to the brown. If you have any other options, please let me know in the comment, or any other ways. So that's it, I guess. This is just a final video. Hopefully the next video will be revealing of the entire project. Yes, the minor details will also be done, like this one, the brake and the kicker, everything will be like rubbed and will be bringing it to the neat state. As of now, the bike looks very neat, and the engine, wow, I drove the vehicle and it's really powerful right now. I will completely like restored every single part in like whichever is worn out, and the bore is 0.5 size, and the compression is too high. I can't just explain. The kicker is very tight, so that will be giving me better efficiency. I should do the run-in of the vehicle, which my father will be taking care of it, as he is a slow rider. Run-in might not be difficult, and the bike will come very neat after like 2-3 months. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and sorry for all the disturbance. Thanks for watching my videos, and until then, take care. Wait for my next video. Cheers.